Hello you guys, how are you doing? We have here Makita DUR181. The engine inside is worn out. It's only 4 years old, but it's from 2021 and it's 2025 at the moment. The engine turns faster and slower if you give full speed over here, and the battery is perfect. It's fully charged also, so we will going to replace this engine inside. So to work on the engine, remove the battery first, like that, and then we can open 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 identical bolts. So we're going to use the same battery. So all the bolts, all the screws are identical. So we can do them out. 3, 4, 5. Then we need to remove that screw and that screw. We can remove this also, push on this side and on this side. You can take this out. And also for this side, it's clean enough. These two bolts are also identical, but not the same like the 5 other bolts or all the other screws. Then you can slide this off. And then we can open this like that. And then we need to replace this part. You can see the wires are on that side. So you can take this out. Be careful if you used it a lot. It can be very hot. So the white wire on the left side and the black on the right side. And this you can like that. And this part I've ordered a new one. That's over here. New Makita Motor 6299328 for DUR181. Like that. I have this cleaner from Bur. Also this Tex 7 cleaner. Like that. And then we can push this in again. So the bearing is sitting over here. You can place it in like that, and then push with the hammer, and then beat it with the hammer like that. Then connecting the wires again, white, black. We can do some grease on the sprockets. Be sure those 4 white pieces of plastics are still in the same place, and then we can close it again. And we have ordered this part also, because you can see that it was worn out over here. So the new part. If you want, you can sharpen the knife also and clean this also, but if you use it one time it will be dirty. So the 5 bolts are back in, also those 2 bolts are back in, and the new cutting wire. So if we put on the battery, everything has to be working again. And that's how you fix this Makita DUR181. I've bought the new engine and the new part over here with the cutting wire for about 32 euros all in. That's a bit long. So that's how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.